This is South Africa. People keeping the economy turning. But who makes sure this pattern is kept up? Community is key. An initiative based on the LBS asphalt technology, a labor-intensive road surfacing system developed by Road Material Stabilizers. The system is primarily designed as an empowerment tool, equipping people from local communities with valuable skills that can make a meaningful contribution to the upliftment of their community and beyond. What makes the LBS asphalt system unique is the fact that it is fundamentally designed to teach communities to manufacture a cold asphalt that complies with recognized road standards. The technology is cost-effective and simplistic, and backed by the necessary training and ongoing technical support from Road Material Stabilizers.
I was not working, so I get a job here in the advance. So I'm happy about this job because my children is going to school and everything. I put the food on the table.
And I have skill. I know how to do a tar road now. We've got even certificate.
LBS asphalt is manufactured by mixing a combination of crusher sand, road stone, LBS filler and bitumen emulsion. Buckets are pre-cut to avoid any unnecessary measuring and thereby ensuring consistency with every mix. The LBS filler component only constitutes 20% of the final mix, allowing for the balance of the standard asphalt to be sourced locally, thereby minimizing the associated transportation costs and supporting local economies. The buckets filled with sand and stone are piled together with a bag of LBS filler, then mixed until they become one consistent color. This dry mix is then opened up to create a dam. The bitumen used to bind the mix is an anionic stable-grade bitumen emulsion. The pile is mixed again thoroughly until all the aggregate is fully coated. This mix can either be bagged and sealed or taken direct to site for use. The LBS system has been designed to be community-based with a high labor component value between 12% to 20%. A team of 14 people is capable of producing 15 tons of mixed asphalt per day. The bitumen is a water-based emulsion and has no pungent smell. No heating is required during the preparation or application of the mix, which makes it safe for handlers and the environment. Only basic tools and equipment are needed to apply the asphalt to the road surface: wheelbarrows, shovels, brooms, metal rakes, levels and thickness guides. In fact, the only machinery required is a vibratory pedestrian asphalt roller used for the compaction of the asphalt. The road surface should be firm, well compacted and swept free of loose material. Although the LBS mix is self-priming, a prime or tack coat is recommended to improve the bonding of the asphalt with the base. Thickness guides are then placed where the road will be surfaced. Water is lightly applied to the base, with freestanding water being swept off. The prepared asphalt mix is then spread within the guides and leveled to a 25 mm or 30 mm loose depth. Water is lightly applied to the wheel drums of the roller as lubrication to prevent the asphalt from sticking to the drums. The asphalt roller compacts the asphalt using vibration to eliminate the voids in the loose asphalt and also to flush the fine particles to the surface. The compacted surface is then rolled again without vibration. Once a brown soupy-like slush appears on the surface, the optimum moisture content has been achieved. This moisture will evaporate as the bitumen oxidizes and breaks, transforming the brown surface into a compacted black asphalt surface. A team of 10 people is capable of surfacing 300 square meters of road per day. Depending on the scope of work and timeframes required to complete the work, the size of the teams can be adjusted accordingly. LBS Asphalt is also a genuine solution for the repair and maintenance of our secondary roads and an opportunity for local communities to be actively involved in helping with the repair and maintenance of our deteriorating and aging road network. The LBS Asphalt system includes teaching communities correct pothole repair procedures following basic engineering principles. LBS is self-priming, so no prime coat is necessary, and the crumbly mix make it easy to apply. The mix is not temperature sensitive and can be used in both hot and cold conditions.
The product we are using now is called asphalt. As you can see by yourself, is the second phase where we lay the road with it using our community members. They were not skilled before, but now they are very skilled. They know how to use it. By the way, when the project is done, they will receive certificate in order for them to show that they know what they're doing. They're well trained.
Using a hand stamper for smaller potholes, the same principle is achieved as the asphalt roller. The brown slush on the surface seals and waterproofs the filled hole, and no slurry is required to finish off the pothole. LBS Asphalt is also being used by municipalities and road authorities as an effective option for sidewalks and cycle tracks. By reducing the compacted surface thickness to 20 millimeters, the LBS has proved to be an extremely cost-effective alternative to conventional methods whilst creating new job opportunities. All the production and application training is provided on-site by road material stabilizers to ensure a genuine transfer of skills. The system is also deliberately designed to focus on the empowerment of women and youth, with many successfully completed projects dominated by women. Since its inception, the LBS Asphalt system has been used successfully by numerous road authorities throughout South Africa. The LBS system has been recognized by the Expanded Public Works Program as a genuine labor-intensive road surfacing and repair solution. LBS is approved for funding through MIG. An empowered community is a resilient and happy community.